It's great to see people's interaction with my business. I can make adjustments and improvements on the spot and instantly optimize where needed, so I never have to postpone important decisions. That's the level of operational excellence we've reached today. It's beautiful, isn't it? But that's just the beginning. Imagine being able to see into the future. Not literally, of course, but with just enough insight that we could predict what your customer's next move will be. You'd always be 3 steps ahead, prepared to provide what your customer needs even before they know they need it. But there's some even more promising stuff ahead. I'm talking about technology that grows smarter every day just by interacting with your customers. Self-learning systems working side by side with people so we can make the important decisions. Call it artificial intelligence, if you will. Of course, that might disrupt my own business. But hey, I'm not afraid of the future, because I'm growing towards truly smart, just to put my customers first. And so how about you?
Hi, hello everybody. Great, a warm welcome to all. Welcome to the inspirational event of Delaware. Growing towards truly smart is the topic of the evening.
I see you've already met my new digital assistant.
Patrick, you've got mail. You've got mail.
Not now, Pepper. I want to start my introduction, right? As for us, also for you, the digital disruption is at your doorstep, and maybe before your next ski vacation. So again, welcome to this event, Growing Truly Smart. Thank you very much for taking the time out of your busy schedules. We appreciate it very much. We've done our utmost to make it a good experience for you. So enjoy the sessions and get inspired.
This is the way how we see that companies react to these hypes. It's twofold. On the one side, we have companies who use these hypes to get to the low-hanging fruit. And on the other side, represented by the goat to the right, we have companies who look at it and are saying, what the heck is that guy doing?
Organizations should be fluid and agile, so it means, like we heard, don't think in silos. Don't think in your structures as we have them today. Get rid of your traditional organograms, create networks internally, and build yourself some fluid and agile organizations.
To deal with making our portholes effective and professionally, we need to use empathy, because it's not that difficult, it's just an attitude. So if tomorrow we start with services on top of products, or we get with more product guidance, or we get to service customers, empathy, put yourself in being able to understand the position and the viewpoint of the other. It's something different than being subassertive, by the way, it's just understanding. To my opinion, that's the first thing that is key. And the second thing that is key is honesty.
In order to become truly smart, investments in customer experience and operational excellence have to be balanced. And the balancing act is done by measuring customer lifetime value. Surprisingly, you only serve 10% of your customer base in a profitable way. That means that 90% of the time, you are spending time, resources, assets on either break-even or unprofitable business. That's painful.
We were, at heart, at the beginning, we were authentic. Remember the time that you, or someone else, when you were a founder, you founded a company. You knew the heartbeat of the company, saying, I'm going to buy the products. I'm going to invent the service. and I'm going to sell it, and I'm going to count the money, and I'm going to rent my first location. And I know my business at heart. So you're authentic.
And at the end of the workshop with the Japanese company, the CEO came to me and said, Mr. Hinson, thank you very much for the workshop. It was very interesting. Unfortunately, your model is wrong. I said, okay, how is that? This is the dumbest model in the world. And I'll never forget it. This was on a flip chart, and he took a big red marker and he said, you forgot something. And he said, this is what you forgot. And I said, what is that? He said, this is the shit of yesterday that we have to clean up.